I buy a lot of things on Amazon just because of run deals. So let's check out what I have today. Big box, big box. Okay, you all, as you see, I have some jars to put different things in, and they also provided labels. I'm excited about this. Okay, so in this set, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jars in sizes, different sizes. I love it. I really do love it. I love that they're glass instead of plastic. I think they're more durable if they're glass. The only thing is they might drop. So just make sure that you put it on a back shelf. Don't have it on the edge around children. Okay, you guys, I'm about to check out to see how nice they're going to look over in my kitchen. Close your eyes. So yeah, I told you about my old containers. Look at them. Ugh, gross. Okay, there's 2 things I love about these containers. The first thing, I love the locking seal lid. It's keeping my spices and flowers and everything fresh. That is awesome. And I also love that it came with these cute little black labels so I can label my items so I know the difference between my regular flour and my self-rising flour and my sugars. This was most definitely a deal. When I forgot to mention, it comes with this cool little white marker to write on the black labels. It is so hard to pass by a good deal. That's why I'm glad Run Deals have great coupons that I can use for items in my household that I was going to buy anyway. Well, I have some things coming in tomorrow, so check us out.